Hello, actually, this is my first video. Uh, I have a plan for 30 days English speaking challenge. So, this is my first day and my first video. Actually, I want to improve my communication skill, or you may say my speaking English. Improving speaking English. This is my starting, and at first I want to introduce myself and just myself. My name is Jaber, and my origin or my hometown is Lakshmipur. Currently, I'm staying in Dhaka, capital of Bangladesh, for the purpose of my job, and also I am planning for English IELTS examination. So basically every day I will make a one video and different topic. That would be different topic. So in 10 days, 20 days or 15 days I can compare myself for the beginning and the latest video, how was my speaking improved. And also I will upload my YouTube channel this video with uncut. So also I have a storage, or I'm so okay. Let's now I'm telling my introduced. I already introduced. My name is Javad, and the next thing is my origin is Lakshmipur, but currently I am studying. I'm staying in Dhaka for my job purpose and career goal. And the next thing I want to say, in 2021 I completed my bachelor program from the CSC background. So actually when we are started to speak English, we feel nervous. So recovering this nervousness, I'm taking this initiative. Okay, then one thing I forgot, that I was a science background student. And the next thing I would say, my interest or my hobby. My interest is basically I like to ride bike, and I also have a bike. Few days ago I sold my bike, but bike riding, traveling, Shajah, Cox's Bazar, and the other place I like most. And actually, the people who are like my age, also they have a passion about riding bikes, or someone have passion about cricket, volleyball, or anything else. So as a normal person, everyone has a own interest. My interest is riding and traveling, exploring Bangladesh or any place worldwide. So my video will be no more. I think I have to stay my video 5 minutes, not more than 5 minutes. So for the first time, my video is crossing over 5 minutes, but after that my video will be only 3 or 4 minutes. So my hobby is gardening, but not like at this moment it's not possible for me because I am in Dhaka. In future maybe I will apply my hobbies. And another hobby is also traveling, and I am continuing this. So now today, that's all about my introduction and my future plan. I hope this will help you for speaking English. Maybe my speaking English is not so good, but I hope that if I continue in 20 days or 30 days, maybe my nervousness or making sentence quickly is more easier for me, and it will help me to get a IELTS result, for a good IELTS result in future.